वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयिवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एवोम्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट् लण्
न्यमगणनम्
न्यमाङ्गणनम्
झभै
झभै
घटधश्
खडधश्
झबगडदश्
खडधश्
खपछठथ चटतौ
खपछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि।
Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
अपुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अपुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपत्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमाङ्गनानां नासिका च
ज्ञामाग्नानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
मोराजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणां विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम माम् उद्धर
We will chant this later. You can see the Subhashitam. Udyamena hi siddhyanti
उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति
karyani na manorathaihi
कार्याणि च मनोरथैः
suptasya simhasya
नहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य
vishanti mukhe mrigaah.
प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः
First we have to split the sandhi, but there are no sandhis. So therefore there is no need to do the splitting. Sandhi vichedana need not be done. All are individual padams. Udyamena, what vibhakti? Udyamena.
सप्तमी
Udyamena is
तृतीय विभक्ति
vibhakti ekavachana. Udyama is effort. Why effort? He, avyaya, siddhyanti. What purusha, what vachanam?
Pratama purusha
Bahuvachanam. Which gana? Dhatu?
Fourth gana.
Fourth gana, tudadi gana. Siddhyanti. Karyani, what vibhakti?
Karyani.
अपुस्तलिक कार्यम
Trivachanam bahuvachanam. Ditya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
You will see that what vibhakti is that. Now it's difficult to say. Na is avyaya. Manorataihi tritya vibhakti. Bahuvachanam. Karyani siddhyanti. Karyani siddhyanti. Actions are accomplished. So actions are accomplished. Now what vibhakti karyani is?
Ditya vibhakti.
Cannot be Dvitiya, it is Prathama vibhakti.
Oh, Pratama vibhakti. Okay.
Actions are not accomplished or actions not successful. Na siddhyanti. Na should be connected to the kriya padam.
Correct.
Na should be connected. Karyani na siddhyanti. By what? Manorataihi. Manasaha rata. Manorata is imagination. Traveling that only in the mind. It means only imagination. Manoratha. So karyani manoratehi na siddhyanti. Katam siddhyanti? Udyamena hi. Only by effort. So karyani manoratehi na siddhyanti. Karyani udyamena hi siddhyanti. These are the two vakyams. Like what? Drishtanta is given. An example is given. Na hi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrgaha. Na avyaya. Hi avyaya. Suptasya shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. Qualifying simhasya. Suptasya simhasya. Sleeping lion. Shashti vibhakti. Pravishanti Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Dhatu is which dhatu? Which gana is that?
Sixth gana.
Sixth gana. It is sixth gana. Siddhyanti fourth gana. Siddhyanti Divari gana. I said by mistake I said Tudadi gana, I think. Okay. Siddhyanti fourth gana is said. Fourth gana is Divari gana. Okay. So Pravishanti sixth gana, which is Tudadi gana. Wish to enter. Mukhe. Mukhe is
Saptami.
Saptami. Saptami ekavachanam. Mrigaha. Prathama vibhakti Bhagavachanam. This is Karta. So Mrigaha pravishanti. Animals enter or deers enter. Mrigaha can be animal or deers. Putra. Okay. Whose mukha? Whose mouth? Suptasya simhasya. Mrigaha na pravishanti. Mukhe na pravishanti. Simhasya mukhe na pravishanti. Suptasya simhasya mukhe na pravishanti. Yata suptasya simhasya mukhe mrigaha na pravishanti. Tata eva karyani manoratehi na siddhyanti. Udyamena hi siddhyanti. Only by effort actions are accomplished. Animals do not enter into the mouth of the lion. The lion has to put effort. So this is the Subhashitam. All the vibhaktis we can make out, we can understand the meaning. It's a simple Subhashitam, it's clear now. Okay.
What's the meaning of this letter?
Only by effort, not by just imagination, actions are accomplished. Only by effort. That's the meaning. That is explained with a Drishtanta. Is the meaning clear? Surendraji. Okay. So now we were seeing Sandhi rules in the last class. So there are some doubts. Some people have asked doubts. So we will have a relook into what we have seen. You can see I'm sharing the Word file. There in the last class, we saw some 4 types of Sandhi. In there, this one word is missing. You can write Padanta. Even though it is not there, but in the examples, what are examples we saw in the last class, all those were Padanta, Padam only. All the changes happened to here in the examples, they're all Padanta only. So from the examples we can easily understand. The last class, the examples of what we saw. All those examples, if you see, all those examples are this Padantayar followed by Anunasika. But in the description, the Padanta was not there. I just added. Padanta. It's important, Padanta. When Padanta year is followed by Anunasika, the year will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter, optionally. This is optional. It means between the two padam, Purva padam ends with year letter. What are the year letters? All the consonants except the sibilant, soft sibilant, ha. Those are the year letters. Anunasika, the fifth letter of all the classes, or the Anunasika. So, Purva padam ends with year letter, and the Uttara padam begins with Anunasika. Then what happens is Purva padam will be replaced. The Purva padam which has year will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter. This is the Sandhi. Okay. This is a Sandhi. Now, I named it as Anunasika Sandhi. Okay. Example. We just quickly go through the example, the same examples, and more examples have been added. We will see. Vak plus Moolam. First step. First you have to apply Jashva Sandhi. Jashva Sandhi always come first. So Vak plus Moolam. Vak is Padam. Moolam is Padam. Purva Padam Vak. Ending with the year letter Kakara. Parapadam beginning with the Anunasika Makara. Now, apply Jashva Sandhi first. Applying Jashva Sandhi in the place of Jal, Jash will be the Adesha. Therefore, Vag plus Moolam. Then after that, no other rules, no other known rules. Whatever rules we know, those rules are not Shtutva and Shtutva, those rules are not applied. Directly we come to the Anunasika Sandhi. There, this Gakara, whose Anunasika letter is, corresponding Anunasika letter is Nakara, that is fifth letter of the Kavarga, will be the replacement. Why? Because the Uttarapadam begins with Anunasika. Therefore, you get Vang Moolam. This Anunasika Sandhi is optional. Therefore, you have Vang Moolam or Vag Moolam. Both are okay. But generally, you will find this Vang Moolam, this Anunasika, the rule will be applied. Generally, it is applied, even though this Sandhi is optional. You can remember the sequence of rules. The sequence of rules. I'm showing the PowerPoint. You can see there. First, you apply Jashva Sandhi. Number 1. We have two Jashva Sandhis. First, Jashva Sandhi number 1 to be applied. You have to see whether it is applicable. Just showing the sequence of rules. But this is not all the rules. More rules are there. Whatever rules we have seen, with those rules, those rules you can follow this sequence. First, Jashva Sandhi, which is, you can see the number in ascending order. It is 8th chapter, 2nd pada, 8-2. Then Shtutva or Shtutva, whichever Sandhi is applicable, if it is applicable, which is in 8-4, 8-4-40, 8-4-41. So Jashva Sandhi number 1 and Shtutva or Shtutva. Then comes Anunasika Sandhi. What rule we have seen now. Anunasika Sandhi will apply, which is in 8-4-45. After Anunasika Sandhi, Jashva Vidhi number 2 comes. What is Jashva Vidhi number 2? That is Jal followed by Jash. Then Jal will be replaced by Jash. That is Jashva Vidhi number 2. Whereas Jashva Vidhi number 1 is Padanta Jal replaced by Jash. That is Jashva Vidhi number 1. After Jashtva Vidhi number 2, then if Chartva Vidhi is applicable, apply, which is 8455. And char at the end of the padam is optional, therefore 8456. In the same Chartva Vidhi, you can see two rules are there. One is when a kar letter follows char adesha, if it is at the end, it is optional. We have seen that. Wow, avasane. So Chartva Vidhi to be applied. And after that comes Anuswara Sandhi. I'm naming it as Anuswara Sandhi, but you can name it as something other, we can name it better. We will see that. So Anuswara Sandhi. Then after that Latva Sandhi. Latva is, Lakara is the Adesha. Anuswara Sandhi. Anuswara is the Adesha. Then after that Purva Savarna Sandhi. Purva Savarna Sandhi. That is the Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter of the corresponding J letter. That also we will see. Just a quick look into that. So these are the rules. You remember this sequence. Jashtva, then Shtutva or Shtutva, then Anunasika Sandhi, then Jashtva Sandhi number 2, Chartva, Anuswara, Latva, Purva Savarna. These are these consonant rules, Sandhi rules we have seen. So apply these rules in this sequence. Either you can remember the name, or if number is easy, number. Apply these rules in this order. Okay. So Jashtva Sandhi is the first one that we have to apply first. If it is applicable, any rules which are applicable to be applied first. Now, coming back to the Anunasika Sandhi, more examples are there. We'll see. This example also we have seen, the second one. Ut plus Nayanam. Apply Jashtva Sandhi first. So what happens? That Jal is replaced by, the Jal letter is replaced by Jash letter, Ud. And Ud is followed by Nayanam. That is Nayanam, Nakara is the Anunasika. Therefore, Dakara will be Purvapada Yar letter, that is Dakara, which will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter, which is Nakara. Therefore, you have Unnayanam or Udnayanam, two forms. Two forms will be there. Then the third example, you see, Ut plus Jnanam. There is no such word. This is our own imagination, I said. So apply the Jashtva Vidhi. Ut is a padam. Okay. Ut is a padam. It is upasarga. It's a padam. So padantayar, takara. Okay. Before going to padantayar, ut is there. You have to apply Jashtva Vidhi number 1. By that you get takara ud plus jnanam is there. Can we apply here Shtutva Sandhi? Yes. Because before applying Anunasika Sandhi, Shtutva Vidhi is there before. And here Shtutva Vidhi applicability is there. Therefore, apply that first. Dakara in contact. Dakara is Tavarga. That is in contact with Nya. Nya is Chavarga letter. Therefore, Shtutva Vidhi should be applied. And Dakara will be replaced by its corresponding Chavarga letter, which is Jakara. So, which plus Jnanam. Now, which is the Yar letter, followed by the Anunasika Nyakara. So, which will be replaced by Nya. So, you get Unyanam or Udyanam. These are the forms you get. Okay. This is number 3. Any doubt in this? Anybody? Those who ask me doubts, I hope it is clear. If you have doubts, you can ask me. Then the next one, number 4, Tad plus Na. Tad plus Na. In the last class here, Tat Na was there. That is it's a mistake. I've corrected that. Because Jashtva Vidhi will apply first. So Tad only will be there, not Tat. The last class, if you see, Tad plus Na is there. This Tad is Dakara. Dakara will be replaced by.
I was thinking that one.
Yeah. In the last class, it was Takara was there. Tatna was there. Jashtva Vidhi, I mean, the second one, that is optional form. There, Tatna was there. It's not Tatna, it is Tadna. It's a typo. Okay. So it is. That's why I said Jashtavidhi is applied first. If you remember the last class, that one, then you will know what the mistake is. If you don't remember, no problem. The form is Tanna or Tadna. Tad is there. Actually, it was Tat. Tat is a padam. Applying Jashtavidhi, you get Tad. Right? So Tad plus Na. Tad plus Na. Jashtavidhi is applied. Then you get Tad plus Na. Then this rule is applied. Anunasika rule. The Dakara, which is a year letter, replaced by Nakara. That is, it's Anunasika. Therefore, you get Tanna. If you don't apply, you get Tadna. So two forms. Okay. Now, please type your names. You read these examples. You can type your name in the chat box. When you read the examples, then you will understand. If any doubts are there, I will clarify. Please type your name in the chat box. Yes, Ramaji. Next example you can read.
Yeah. Jagat.
Others also can type. I will ask only you to read. Don't worry, I will not ask any question. Question I will ask in general. Okay. Yes. Number 5.
Jagat. Yeah. Jagat plus Nathaha. Jagannathaha or Jagadnathaha.
In the last class here also, Jagat Nathaha was there. That is a mistake. Because Jagat, Takara becomes Dakara, right? Jashtavidhi. Jashtavidhi is applied first. So Jagat Nathaha. Please make this correction. Sorry?
I have a lot of confusion because I was thinking why it has come like that.
Very good. If confusion is there, then your thinking is correct. It's good. Clarified now, right?
Yeah.
So
Thank you, sir.
In fact, it was Jagat, right? Jagat was there. Then Jashtavidhi is applied and becomes Jagat. Okay. So it's a typo. I said no. I combined. I mean, in the original form plus this. Huh? Sorry. What did you ask?
I was thinking myself why that why what Sandeep there why it has come. I was thinking how
it was a typo. Jagat plus Natha is where in between the plus sign and the space. I just removed it instead of correcting, making the takara to takara. That is why that mistake happened. No, it is corrected now. Jagannathaha or Jagatnathaha.
Thank you.
So you know this. You understand now the sequence of rules. Okay, next person, Kameshwari, number 7. 7 or 6.
7.
Okay.
7. Shat plus Mukaha.
Here also, it is Shat. Shat, applying Jashtavidhi, it has become Shad. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Read.
Shad plus Mukaha. Shan Mukaha. Or optional is Shang Mukaha.
Not Shang. Why Shang? It is Shad Mukaha.
Shad. Okay. Shad Mukaha.
Shat is a padam. Shad is a padam. Mukaha is a padam.
Okay.
So,
it is as it is.
Yeah. Padantayar replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter. Next person, Sri Krishna.
Tvag plus Mochanam. Tvang Mochanam or Tvag Mochanam.
Yes. Here also Tvag is there. Previously it was Tvag, Takara. Jashtavidhi applied. All those things are not shown here because focus is only on Anunasika. Therefore, those things are not shown. But in the first 3 examples, you have shown the sequence of rules that you need to remember. Next person, Arunaji.
Mad plus Nivasaha, Man Nivasaha or Mad Nivasaha.
Ramkaveji.
Edat plus Murarihi, Edan Murarihi, Edad Murarihi.
Yeah. Etan Murarihi or Etad. Okay. Ramaji again.
Yeah. Agnichit plus Nayati. Agnichin Nayati. Agnichint Nayati.
Agnichit is there. what vidhi is applied?
Nichit.
Agnichid nayati you are getting is like that is this form.
And that
So,
is
just vidhi number 1.
yeah, number 1.
Agnichid nayati applied. Sundarji. Number 12. Sundarji.
Sorry, I was mute. I did not unmute. I'm sorry. Dik plus nagaha, ding nagaha, or dig nagaha.
Yes. So dik, the second option, Jashtra vidhi only is applied. So Jashtra vidhi is a must. You have to apply. There's no choice. If you don't want to apply Anunasika, but we have to apply Jashtra and stop there. Dik nagaha. Further, if you apply Anunasika, Sandhi, ding nagaha is a form. Okay. Now here you have to note, in all the above examples, Jashtra vidhi is applied first and then only Anunasika Sandhi. That we saw the sequence of rules. That is number 1. Okay. And number 2, what we have to notice, by here only, it's important. You can note this. Somebody asked this doubt also. What will happen if the sibilants come? The sibilants are not considered. By here only class consonants are to be considered. Please note this point. Padantayar followed by Anunasika. Yad letter will be replaced by corresponding Anunasika. By yar letter, all the consonants, including the sibilants, right, semivowels, but those sibilants and semivowels they are not considered. Only the class consonants are considered. Only the class consonants are considered. Why? If you ask, that is given with an example. Chatur plus mukaha. Chatur plus mukaha. Chatur is a padam. Mukaha is a padam. So, if this is to be joined, applying this Sandhi rule, then Padantayar, that is Repa is Purva Padasya Antima Varna, which is Repa, that is ear letter, followed by Mukha, that Makara, Anunasika letter. Therefore, Repa, the ear letter, Repa, can be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika. Applying this Anunasika Sandhi rule, you get Chatun Mukaha, you will get. But that is not the desired form.
Is the
That is
rule?
not
Is it
sorry?
Is it a rule? Yeah, because it would have done A, it would have done a Sashasar would have omitted from that rule.
I don't understand what you're saying. It's not clear. So
No,
I'm
sir.
saying,
Here is there, here.
yeah, here is there.
To the A. Yeah, because Sashasar that Kabai, that we can stop there.
Shashasar is there. Yeah.
Because Sashasar is anyway we are not taking that is excluded.
You're saying you're not taking Repa. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
But Repa is at the beginning. Hayavarat. Repa is only Ithlet. Shashasar, Lepa is Ithlet. Again, the confusion is with the Nageshwara Sutra.
Yeah.
Repa is, where is the Repa? In the A letter, in the R letter. Hayavarat. Hayavara. That is Ara we are talking about. Not the that Repa with the Shashasar. That because in the Mageshwara Sutra, Shashasar, that Repa is Ithlet. That we are not talking about. Okay. Don't confuse with the ith letter. Ith letters are not considered at all.
Okay.
That which is not it, only those letters are the anga of the angi, pratyahara. Okay. So Chatun Mukaha will be the form you will get if you apply this rule. But that is not the desired form. So therefore, class consonants are not considered. Then why ear letter if it is if you ask, that is out of scope of discussion. That ear letter is required for the subsequent sutras. Subsequent sutra in the Sutra Pata. It goes as anuvritti for the following sutra. Probably that we will discuss in the advanced class. Therefore, ear is given. But ear letter, by ear letter, what we mean is only the class consonants. See, sometimes in the rule, there will be more things will be. I mean, more that A pratyahara will have more letters, but not that all the letters are included. Only whatever letters are applicable or required, only those we will consider. Other thing, that is not for this particular rule, it's for some other rule. Then why do you mention, if you ask, in the Sutra Pada, that particular, that pratyahara, that here in this example here, it goes whatever is required for this, only that is you take. Other things you don't take. That is a sutra. That's how this alpaksharatam is accomplished. Therefore, here is given for the sake of the subsequent sutras, which comes later. Here, only the class consonants covered. Class consonants are covered by here. Semi-sibilants are also covered by here, which are required for the following rules in the sutra part. Therefore, here in this particular rule, you don't consider that. Okay. More discussions are there about this in Siddhanta Kaumudi. That's all not required. This much is you understand. By here letter, what we mean is only the class consonants. 5 class consonants. Somebody has in the last class, if Shakara comes, what will happen? It will not come. It's not considered here. Nothing will happen. Okay, then the next one is, this is one rule, okay. Now it's clear, Anunasika Sandhi. Okay, so here we are talking about Padanta here. Now, the next one is rule. This one is not, not the sutra, but it is given as a Vartika, recommended. Vartika, we chant, Vakyakaram Vararuchim, Ashikaram Patanjalim, Paninim Sutrakaram Cha, Pranatosmi, that Munitrayam. There, Vartika is there. Vartika is whatever the rules, the sutras which Panini Maharishi has given, some improvement is given by the Vartikakara. If Panini Maharishi, he had not mentioned anything, Vartikakara will mention. This is to be mentioned. He will say, he will suggest. So, like that, one Vartika is there. That's called Vartika. And Vartika I have mentioned here. Pratyaye Bhashayam Nityamiti. What is that? That is given, that is explained here. That is, if Padanta here is followed by a Pratyaya. If Padanta here is followed by a Pratyaya, and the Pratyaya beginning with the Anunasika letter, that is the 5th letter of the classes, then the year must be replaced by its Anunasika. Only the optionality is not allowed here. The difference between the previous and this is, here it is a must. There is no choice. If it is, Padanta here is followed by a Pratyaya. Understand this statement? If Padanta here is followed by the Pratyaya, and the Pratyaya beginning with Anunasika, then the year letter must be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter. Compulsorily. Is this clear? Example, Tad plus Matram. Tad plus Matram. Here, Tad is what? Padam. Tad is Padam. Padanta is Takara. Followed by Matram. Matram is a Pratyaya. There is a Matra Pratyaya, is Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyaya, Matra. So, the Pratyaya begins with Makara. And Tad is a Padam. Therefore, Padantayar will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika, which is Nakara. So, Tan Matram you get. Tan Matram is the Padam, and Tad is also a Padam only. To a Padam you add a Pratyaya. That is called Tadita. Tadita is a separate, it's a list of Pratyayas different from Ikrit Pratyayas, Subanta Pratyaya, Tinganta Pratyaya, whatever Pratyayas we know. Similarly, we have got another Pratyaya called Tadita. So matra is a tadita pratyaya. We will discuss about tadita and all later. Okay. It's a pratyaya, that much you know. And tad is a padam. So padantayar. When it is followed by this pratyaya, beginning with anunasika, then this must be done. Tad matram only. There is no tad matram. There is no tad matram. This is what this Vartika says. Recommended rule. Vartika means recommended. Then chid plus maya. Chid is a padam. Maya is again tadita pratyaya. Therefore, it becomes chinmaya. There is no chidmaya. It should become chinmaya. Up plus maya becomes ammaya. Padanta yar. Pakara is replaced by its anunasika am. So ammaya. Why padanta yar? If you ask, asking question and replying, why padanta yar? Example, yat plus naha. Yat plus naha. Naha is a pratyaya. What pratyaya? We will see that later. Yat is yat to the yat. Yat is a dhatu. Yatate, yatete, yatante. From that only we get yatihi and all. So to the yat dhatu, pratyaya is added and you get yatnaha. Is it a padam? Yat is a padam. Yat means not that yaha yav ye, yam ye yaha, not that one. Yaha yav ye, ya ye yaha, yam ye yani. That is not the yat here. Yat means the dhatu. Yat is effort. Yatate, prayatne. Okay. Yat is the dhatu. Don't confuse with the pratipadikam yat. It is not that yat here. Yat is the dhatu. And that because it's a dhatu, therefore it is not the padanta here. It's not the padanta here. You cannot apply jashtva. Can you apply jashtva sandhi? Yes or no? Anybody? Can you apply
No.
jashtva sandhi and make it yadnaha?
It's not a padanta.
It's not a padam.
It's not a padam.
So we
Therefore
can't.
you can't apply. So yat will remain yat only. Yat plus naha, you get yatnaha. And therefore, since the form is yatnaha, and we don't need the form, that is said, the yannaha and all, not the forms required. Undesirable form. There is no word yannaha and all. If you apply this rule, it becomes yannaha. Yannaha is not the form. So therefore, padantayar. Therefore, specifically, you have to mention padantayar. More examples are given. Some examples will be clear now. Some examples will be clear only when we study those topics. Swap plus naha. Swap is again dhatu. Swapiti, sleeping. Swap plus naha, you get swapnaha. You don't get swamnaha. You cannot apply this anunasika rule and make it swamnaha. I will make it. No, you cannot make it. You cannot make it. Okay. Then kshub plus na plus ti. This is a dhatu. Kshub belongs to the 9th gana dhatu. Here it is 9th gana. It is there in other ganas also. It is here we are talking about the kshub in the 9th gana. Kshub plus na plus ti. So what happens? Kshubnati. Here doesn't become kshumnati. Bakara is there followed by na. Na is the pratyaya. Kshub is a dhatu. It's a dhatu, not a padam. Therefore, bakara is not a padanta yar. It is apadanta yar. It is not a padanta yar. So apadanta yar. Therefore, shubnati only will be there, not shumnati. Then the next one, badnati, another dhatu, bad, to bind. Bad plus na plus ti. Dakara, not a padanta yar. Therefore, it will not become bannati. It will not become bannati. It is badnati only. Okay. Next, another example. Mat plus nati. All these are 9th gana. Okay. 9th gana we will be seeing later. 9th gana dhatus. Mat plus nati. Matnati. Not mannati. Then with the dhatu. With the dhatu we have seen, and it is in different ganas. 5 ganas it is there. So with means to know, that is jnani, second gana. With the plus me, what will happen? It will not become Venmi. It will not become Venmi. It is Vedmi. With plus me, Vedmi. You cannot apply this Anasika rule. Why? Because it is not a Padanta here. Therefore, the Padanta here is important. Okay, that is the importance of Padanta here. Any doubt in this? Yes? No?
No,
Is it
sir.
clear? No?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. I asked many times it is clear, but if you don't answer, then I assume it is clear and then proceed further.
Clear, sir.
Okay. I have to
Yes,
assume.
we all answered.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, Ranjit, it's clear.
No, you answered, but there are about 25 people are there. Okay. I just
Yes,
want to know
Sharan.
others understand.
Yes,
Yes, we
yes,
understand.
கணத்துல போட்ட கல்லு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Some sound I should get back. Okay.
Yes, Saranji. We understand.
Yes. Ramaji,
Yes,
you
it's
can do this. Rama, I'll call the
Yeah.
names. You can. Now you have to split this. Okay. Splitting the sandhi. Yes.
षण्मासाः षट् प्लस मासाः
Good. It will be Shad. Telling the first format. Shad
Yes.
masaha, then Shad masaha.
yeah Jashtvam and then Anumasaka.
You understand how it comes? Shan masaha becomes Shat. Shad is there, Dakara, or the previously it was Shat, number 6. Shat means 6. Applying Jashta becomes Shad. Then applying this rule becomes Shan. Shan masaha. Like Shanmukha, the same. Next one, Sundarji.
एतन् मनोहरः. एतत् plus मनोहरः becomes एतद् मनोहरः, then एतन् मनोहरः.
Good. Ganeshji.
निषेधः. So it plus निषेधः. So ta becomes na. Ta
Yes.
becomes ta,
Good.
and ta becomes anunasika na.
Yes. Kameshwari.
तन्नकारः is also tat. Tat plus nakarah.
Tat plus Nakara. Are you sure?
Oh, I'm not sure. Tan
Let us do this.
akarah.
Tan plus
No.
Nakara. That is what it is here. Now we are doing
Akara, it should be akarah. So tan. Is it?
Okay, I'm doing it. See, we are doing the reverse. Okay. So Tan plus Nakara is there. So in what place Nakara would have come? It would have come in the place of
The second na.
Tad.
Second. No, I'm telling
You have to-
akara you can split. So tand plus akara.
There is no Tand and all. No, Akara and all you cannot split. There is no Akara. It is Tand. What is Tand? There is no Tand.
I don't know.
It is a.
Nakara. I think.
Yes.
Nakara.
That's why I'm doing this. Listen, I'm doing this. You can see the sequence. Reverse. Tan plus Nakara. Nakara is Nakara, the letter Nakara. So Tad plus Nakara
Okay,
Right.
tad. Then tat.
becomes Tad plus.
Tad plus nakara. Then tat plus nakara.
Yes, that is a form. So the form is Tad plus
Nakara.
Nakara.
Okay.
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 The next one, Krishnanji.
Trishtum nama becomes Trishtum nama. Pakara becomes Makara.
Yes, it is Trishtup Nama
Trishtup.
becomes Trishtub Nama and then Trishtum Nama.
Right.
All the Purva Padam or Padam, I mean, with all the Padam, Padanta here. Then the next one. Sanmargah. Arunaji.
Sat plus margah.
Sat. Sat plus margah. Sanmargah.
Sat.
Next one, Ram Kavyaji.
Mrinmayam. Mrit plus mayam.
Mrit plus maya. Good. So it is Mrit plus maya. Mridmaya. It is Mrin plus mayam is there. Mrin plus mayam. Doing the reverse. What should have been done in this? This Mrid must have been there.
Mrid plus mayam. Then it will become a Mrit plus mayam.
Or Mrit or Mrid, whatever may be. Mrid plus mayam.
Then
Right.
it will come Mrinmaya.
Okay. Fine. Then now I will ask one question. What is this nakara?
Is Anunasika. Anunasika.
It's Danti nakara, right?
Okay.
And here what letter is there?
Mr.
R is there.
Yes.
Then Nattum should have happened, right?
Yeah, Sharanji. Yeah, I am thinking like that. Yeah, I was
Why
thinking.
Nattum has not happened?
Here is the
End of the padam.
because it is the nakara is the end of the padam, so there is the natvam will not be happen at the time.
Very good. Nakara is at the end of the padam. Yes. Mrit is Mrit is a padam. Okay, this is a padam, and Mrid is a padam, and Mrin is a padam. It remains as it is. It's a padam. That is one. That's the thing. Okay. Therefore, it doesn't become.
Okay.
Very subtle thing. You have to note this. It's good. The next one. Ramaji.
Somasut plus Nayati.
Somasut plus Nayati. Sundarji.
Twang nasi.
Manas.
Twak plus nasi.
No. It is Manasi. Ma. Can you say Ma?
Manas. I'm so sorry. Twang manasi.
So it becomes
Twak plus manasi, is it?
Twak plus Manasi. Yes, Twak.
Twak.
Yes,
Twak is
Twak
what?
is skin. Skin. Manas is mind. Twak plus Manasi. Twang Manasi. Next one. Ganeshji.
Kukum Nayakaha. So it is Kukup plus Nayakaha. It becomes Kukub Nayakaha.
Yes. Next one. Kameshwariji.
Vong mayam. Vog plus mayam.
Good. Vak
First
plus
vog, it will become vog plus mayam, then vong mayam.
Yes. Krishnaji.
Kiyan matram. So, kiyat matram. It becomes kiyat matram and then kiyan matram.
Yes. So this is Anunasika Sandhi. Vadantaya replaced by Anunasika. So I hope this Sandhi will be clear now. Right? Okay.
Sharanji, the kiyan matram is the pratyaya.
Pratyaya. It's a pratyaya.
Okay.
All these matra, maya, they are tadita pratyayas. So kiyat is a padam. So the padam only you add this pratyaya and you get pratipadika. And then can be declined. That's how it is. Okay. So kiyat is the padam. Matra is a pratyaya. So kiyat plus matra. Kiyat matra. And the decline becomes kiyan matra. Okay. Then here also Anusvara Sandhi. I'm naming it as Anusvara Sandhi. But the problem is there is one more Anusvara is there. There we'll have the problem if I name it as Anusvara. Anyway, for time being, we will retain this name, Anusvara Sandhi. If required, we will change it. Because we are going to see one more Anuswara that in the beginning of the class itself we have seen. Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara when it is followed by the consonant. That is another rule we are going to see. There it is Anuswara. But here also Anuswara is there. So what to do? Anuswara Sandhi. Either we can rename it or we can just retain as it is.
Name as 1 and 2G, like just to.
Or some book says it is Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna, Purva Savarna, Parasavarna. They call it as Parasavarna Sandhi. If you want to name it, you can name it. Parasavarna Sandhi. Savarna letter of the following the A letter, that is replaces. Therefore, Purva Para Savarna Sandhi. If this name is okay, we can use it. Parasavarna Sandhi also. That is a name. All these names are, we give the name. So we can give whatever name we like. Parasavarna Sandhi. Para is following. Its letter will replace this, this Anuswara. Therefore, Parasavarna Sandhi. Parasavarna will be Anuswara. Anuswara corresponding to the following A letter. Therefore, Parasavarna Sandhi. Whichever you like, you can name it. So, if I call it as Anuswara Sandhi, I will call it as Anuswara Sandhi number 1. And the next one will be Anuswara Sandhi number 2. In fact, this will be number 2 because that Anuswara Sandhi, which we are going to see, that comes before this rule in that order. So, that we will call Anuswara Sandhi number 1. We can call this Anuswara Sandhi number 2. Or we can call Parasavarna Sandhi. Whichever name you like, you can call. No problem. So, now here also, in this also, I have given more examples. You can see. What is that? What the rule says? Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following A. A letter. A letter is starting from Hayavarat up to Kapai. That is, it includes all the letters except sibilants. I given the sutra also. Just the reference number is, for the sake of number, I have given Anuswarasya E Parasavarnaha iti. Parasavarna Sandhi. Parasavarnaha is there, therefore we call it as Parasavarna Sandhi. That is why it is said like that. In the sutra itself, the word Parasavarna is there, therefore Parasavarna Sandhi. Okay, what does it say? You can see. That is plus Kaha. Plus Kaha. Here there is no mention of the Padanta. There is no mention of Padanta. If Padanta Anuswara is there, that we will see. What will happen if it is Padanta Anuswara? That also we are going to see. It will come. So now we take the first example. Plus Kaha. So is there, which is not a Padam, followed by Kaha. So Purva has got Anuswara and the Para letter is Kakara. Anuswara, that is Anunasika letter. Anunasika letter of the Kavarga is Nakara. And in the Purva Anuswara is there. That is also Anunasika only. Right? Nasika, not Anuswara. Nasika, not Anuswara. Nose. I mean to say nose. Ucharnasthanam. Anuswara is also Nasika. And the fifth letter of the following, the A letter, that is also Nasika only. So therefore, the Nasika, the Anuswara, that is the Anunasika letter, the corresponding Anunasika letter, the Anunasika letter of the following A letter will replace Anuswara. Since the Anuswara as well as the Anunasika both Ucharana Sthanam of both are Nasika, therefore it is replaced. Plus Kaha, that is Anuswara, followed by the letter Ka, and the Anunasika letter of Kavarga is Nakara. So Nakara replaces Anuswara. Nakara is Nasika, Anuswara is also Nasika. Therefore, Nakara replaces Anuswara. So, Ankaha. This is a must Sandhi. We have to write like this only. Ankaha. Because is not a Padam. If it is a Padam, then what will happen? That we will see. Optionality is there. If Padam is there, optionality is there. That is going to come later. So you get Ankaha. Similarly, Mum plus Cha. Anuswara followed by the A letter, Chakara, and the Anunasika letter of Chavarga is Yakara, and Anuswara will be replaced by Yakara, therefore you get Muncha. If you ask why the fifth letter of the class replaces, because it is Anunasika, it is Nasika. Nasika only should replace Anuswara. Anuswara is Nasika, therefore another Nasika only should replace. Since Nasika should replace fifth letter being the Nasika, therefore fifth letter of the class, corresponding class, replaces Anuswara. That is a rule, Anuswara Sandhi, Parasavarna Sandhi. That is why it is called Parasavarna. Para is following. So the Savarna letter corresponding to the Anuswara of the following letter. That's why the name is given Parasavarna. Then the next example, plus Kitaha becomes Ankitaha. Plus Chitaha, Anchitaha. Plus Titaha, Kuntitaha. Anuswara is replaced by the Murdani Nakara, which is the Anunasika, letter, Nasika letter. Therefore, the Nasika letter replaces the Anuswara. Dan plus Taha, Dantaha. Gum plus Pitaha, Gum Pitaha. Gung plus Te, it's a Dhatu. Okay. Gung plus Te. Anuswara is there. Is replaced by the fifth letter of the following letter, which is Kakara. Bung Te. Kakara is there. So its Anunasika letter is Nakara. Therefore, that replaces Anuswara. Therefore, you get the form Bung Te. Bung Te is a Kriya Padam. Bum is the Bhuj is Dhatu. Okay. Then Gam plus Ta. Ganta. In all these examples, these are the Anuswaras, the Purvam, which has got Anuswara, they are not Pada. They are not Padams. Now, if Padanta Anuswara is there, then what will happen? That is number B. For Padanta Anuswara, the replacement by the Savarna of the following A is optional. That is by the subsequent rule, next rule, 8459. 8458 and 8459. 8458 is for the Apadanta Anuswara. 8459 is for the Padanta Anuswara. So therefore here, what happens? Some examples I'm giving here. We have seen some examples in the previous class. Sham plus Karaha. Sham is a Padam. Sham is a Padam. Karaha, another Padam. Therefore, Sham, Shankaraha or Shankara. Here, Anuswara is missing. So you can write Shankaraha or Shankaraha. Option is there here. When you see like this, you have to understand if Anuswara is there, then understand it must be a Padam. Sham karoti Shankaraha. Sham is Mangalam. Sham karoti, that is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Sham karoti Shankaraha. So Sham is a Padam. The next example is clear. Agam karomi. Agam is Padam. Anuswara is replaced by the corresponding Nasika letter of the following A letter. Aham karomi, or you can keep, or it can be remain as it is. Aham karomi. So optionality is there. Optionality is there for the Padanta Anuswara. Then Sam plus Yamaha, this we have seen in the last class. Sam, that is Anuswara is there, followed by the A letter, Yakara, and Anunasika letter of Yakara is Yai, the nasalized Yakara. That will replace the Anuswara. That will replace the Anuswara, which is in the Purva Padam. Sam is a Padam, it's an Upasarga. Therefore, Sanyamaha or Samyamaha, both are okay. Both are fine.
Sharanji, what about Ganga?
Yeah, Ganga, yes. Gam plus Ga. That is also because of this the Padam only. Therefore, we have forms. Gam Ga is there or Ganga, both are there.
So both are
So
actually
we have to see the
correct, sir.
Vyutpatti. Yeah, both are there. Yes. Optionality is there. The Gam plus Ga, how the Vyutpatti to see, but two forms are there. Ganga or Ganga, both are there. Then Tacham plus Yo. This we saw in the last example, last class. We saw in the last class. Tachyo. Tacham plus Yo. Tacham is the Padam. So Padanta Anuswara replaced by the corresponding Anunasika letter of the following A letter, which is Yakara. Therefore, Tachyo. Or you can keep it as it is. Tacham That is why in chanting some people say Tacham or some say Tachyo. Both are okay. Similarly, Gatum Yajnaya. Gatum Yajnaya. Option. Some plus Janayan. Okay, this is not the example here. Some Janayan going to come later. We'll see. It must be some plus Janayan. Let us take it as some plus Janayan. Okay. It could be Sanjanayan or it is Samjanayan. Okay. Samyak Janayati. Samyak Janayati. Then Sam plus Vatsaraha, two forms are there. Samvatsaraha or Samvatsaraha. Sangachante. Sangachate. Not gachate. Sangachate. Sangachate. Sangachate or Sangachate. Danam plus Yachati. Danam Yachati or Danai Yachati. Padanta Anuswara. You can take it as Padanta Anuswara and apply this rule. You get Padani Yachati, or since it is Padanta, therefore it can remain as it is. Aham Likami. Aham Likami. Lakara's Anunasika form is the nasalized Lakara. Aham Likami. So Anuswara will be replaced by the Anunasika Lakara. Aham Likami. Now, this you can answer. Kulam plus Roditi. Tell me what will be the form. Open to all. Anybody can say.
Kulan roditi.
Again?
Kulan roditi.
Kulan Roditi. What rule is that?
Kulang roditi.
Kulang Roditi. What is that letter?
Kulang, the lakar.
Lakaras? Those who are in the advanced class, they also can answer. What will be the form?
No national.
No change.
Very good. Ganesh,
Nasalized, no nasalized for repa.
Because it's repa, no change happens.
No
No change
nasalized
happens.
for repa.
So, what will happen? Kulam plus Roditi remain as it is.
Kulam.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing
Because
will happen. Yeah.
nothing will happen. Because the following A letter is Repa. And what is its Anuswara? What is its Anuswara form? Anunasika form? Anunasika form? It is not there.
No.
Not there.
So Kulam Roditi will remain as Kulam Roditi only. Nothing will happen. That is why I am not given the answer. Okay. The next one. The next one is interesting, you see. Tam Katam Chitrapaksham Dayamanam Nabastam Purushaha Avadhi. Sentence. In this sentence, the Parad Savarna, this rule is not applied. Therefore, Abhava Pakshe. Parasavarna Abhava Pakshe, this is the form. Now we have applied this Anuswara Sandhi, this Parasavarna Sandhi. Then what happens? The Tam becomes Tang. Tang. And Katam becomes Katang. And Chitra Paksham becomes Chitra Pakshan. Dayamanam becomes Dayamanan. Nabastham becomes Nabastham. Purushovadit. This is Parasavarna Pakshe. In case of Parasavarna, applying that rule, you get this. Because Padanta Anuswara or Padanta Anuswara, this rule is optional. Therefore, we have two forms. One is the first line, Parasavarna Abhava Pakshe, and second one is Parasavarna Pakshe. So, Anuswara, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
It's clear.
If you have still doubts, please ask me. So, we have seen some many examples in the previous page, only a revision of what we saw. Some doubts may be there, that's why I'm clear here. Then the next one is Latva Sandhi. Latva Sandhi is very simple already. We saw this. Then quickly go through this. The Tavarga letter when followed by Lakara, then the Tavarga letter will be replaced by Lakara. So ta, tha, dha, dha, these four letters, that is excepting the fifth letter. If this letter follows, these letters are followed by Lakara, replace it by Lakara. And if the fifth letter comes, then you replace by the corresponding Anunasika form of Lakara. That's what the rule is. Example, Tat plus Layaha, Tal Layaha. Takara is replaced by Lakara. Now, Patan plus Likati, Patan is Nasika. And Lakara follows. And Nasika form of Lakara is Na. That replaces the Nasika Nakara. So you get Patan Likati. This is called Latva Sandhi. We are naming it Latva Sandhi. Okay. So it is done. This is a simple Sandhi rule. There should not be any doubt with this, regard to this. And the number is important. Yes. Number is, I think I have not given the number. Number 8460. So the sutra is Torli. Anybody who is learning the Panini Sutra, even in the course, they don't know any sutra, but Torli they will know. Because the name is nice, Torli. Like a Koli, Torli. What rule you know, if you ask anybody, they will say Torli. This is the only rule. Invariably, all the students, they know Torli. It's a simple rule. Then the next one was Purva Savarna Sandhi. Purva Savarna Sandhi we saw. That is Purva Savarna Sandhi says when Hakara is preceded by J letter. Here the Sthani is referred to by what precedes. Then the Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter of the class. Fourth letter of the class, the J letter. The J letter following J letter, that its class, fourth letter of that class will replace Hakara. 8462. 8462. Since the Purva is a replacement, therefore Purva. And this Purva is what? Savarna form. Therefore, Purva Savarna Sandhi. This Sandhi is Purva Savarna Sandhi. And Anuswara Sandhi is Parasavarna Sandhi. Understand the difference? Savarna form of the Purva replaces the Hakara. Therefore, it is called Purva Savarna Sandhi. Whereas in Anuswara, Savarna form of the following replaces Anuswara. Therefore, Parasavarna Sandhi. Examples, we have seen Vak plus Harihi. Why it is replaced also, I taught you that why should the fourth letter replace, why it is the best option that we have seen. You remember why it is the fourth letter is the best option? Why? Why fourth letter of the J letter is the best option as replacement for Hakara?
Ucharnasthanam.
Yeah, what is that? What are the attributes or qualities of Hakara?
Mahaprana.
Mahaprana, good. And soft.
And then soft.
Mridvanjanam.
Mridvanjanam.
Yes. Therefore, in the class consonant, the Mahaprana, Mridvanjanam is only the fourth letter. Therefore, that replaces. Right? And this is mandatory or optional? This is optional. How do you know? by the word anyatarasyam, it is there. The sutra anyatarasyam. Anyatarasyam means optional. So therefore, two forms are there. Okay. These are the rules we saw. Is it confusing? Or is it clear? Or shall we move forward?
Clear.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes.
This file I will send you, but many things have to be edited, corrected. If it is okay, in this format, I will send you a problem. But I will edit, I will add, and then final form I will send you later. If you want to, for your reference, this one file, I will send you. Okay. And one more thing. In this, Natvam, what is Natvam? When does Natvam happens? Natvam.
Repa. Ksha.
Kara.
Shaka.
Yeah. That you can see, I've added more examples and certain things here. Just we'll quickly read that. Natvam. You can see that. Repa shakara iti etabhyam varnabhyam parasya nakarasya nakaraha bhavati samana pade. That is very important. Samana pade, the same padam. Okay. That repa and shakara, which are the nimitta, which causes the nakara, that's natvam, for the nakara, dantya nakara, they should be the same padam. They should be in the same padam. And the number is 841. The number is important. Therefore, the number you can, in this, you can add here also. In this sequence of rules, you have to add 841. When you enter 839, you enter 84. Then if Natvam is possible or applicable, you have to add that also. Okay. Though I have not mentioned here, but it is to be added. If you add all the rules, then so many other rules also will come. So that's why I have not added that. So Natvam you need to remember. If Natvam is applicable, apply. 841. That is after Jastva 8 to 39, then you go to Stutva, which is in 84. And Natvam is 841. Okay, therefore to be applied. If it is applicable, apply it in the beginning. Okay, now coming back to this Natvam. The number is added and the sutra also added. You can just note that. What does the sutra, what does the rule say? An apadanta nakara immediately preceded by repa or shakara are in the same padam. That is what is important, the same padam. The same padam. Then it will be replaced by murdhanya nakara. Example, matru plus nam. Matru nam. Nam is shashti vibhakti pratyaya. Shashti vibhakti bhagavachana pratyaya. Supratyaya. So supratyaya is that, therefore matru is not a padam. Matru nam only is a padam. Therefore it's a samana padam, within a padam. Ru is there, therefore ru is a nimitta to cause matru nam. Similarly, rama plus ina. Ina is pratyaya. Pratyaya vibhakti ekavachana pratyaya ina. So rama plus ina, ramena, it is a padam. So the rama which is here, rama is there, which causes that na, apadanta nakara to become na, murdhanya nakara. Here it doesn't proceed immediately, intervene by other letters. What are the letters allowed in between? That is given later, we will see that. So I will cut this example and put it there, that will be clear. Then the other example, Nrinam, Tisrunam, Pitrunam, Chaturnam, Vistirnam, Ikirnam, Pushnati, Mushnati, all these are examples for Natvam to happen. Pushnati, Mushnati is 9th Gana Dhatus. There also Natvam happens. You will see that. So these are some examples. Then If Repa, Shakara, R is not in the same Padam, then Natvam will not happen. You have to note this. If it is in a Samasa, in a compound word, two Padams will join. Okay. So there it will not happen. But there are also exceptions are there. This Natva is it's a long, it's a bigger Adhikara. It's a bigger topic. So a lot of rules, exceptions, and exception to exception. So many things are there. I try to summarize to the maximum extent possible, but it is not complete. It is not complete. But still, whatever information required, that will be there in this. Whatever information we need and whatever we know, to that extent, this information will be there in this write-up. You can see now the next one. If Repa or Shakara or Ru is not the same Padam, Natvam will not happen. Yadi Samana Padam Nasyat, Padadvayam Tataha, Adhika Padani Vasihu, Tata Nakarasya Nakaradrishka na Bhavati. If more than two Padams are there, it's not a Samana Padam, then Natvam will not happen. Like what? Example. Nru plus Yanam. Here, Nru is a Padam. Yanam is another Padam. Nru is human being, Yanam is vehicle. So it remains Nru Yanam only. That Nru will not cause that Yanam, the Nakara in Yanam, to be a more than Nakara. It doesn't happen. It cannot create. It cannot make the Dante Nakara to more than a Nakara. Doesn't happen. Because Yanam is one Padam, Nru is another Padam. Nru Yanam is a Samasta Padam. That is, it's a Samasa. So that it doesn't happen. Similarly, Vrishayanam. Giri Nandini. It's a Padam. Giri is one Padam, Nandini is another Padam, but Giri Nandini is one Padam, that is Samasa. Even though it is a Samasa, it's a compound word. Within a compound, Giri is a Padam and Nandini is a Padam. And here Nandini Nakara is there. Three Nakaras are there. 1, 2, and 3. And the Nimitta Repa is there. 3. But still doesn't happen. Because not Samana Padam. Similarly, Trinetraha. Here Nakara is not more than Nakara. Doesn't happen. Now, more examples are given here. Trinayanaha, Sarvanama, Charunetra, Durnama, Adrinataha, Varinidhi, Raghunandanaha, Raghunataha. Raghunataha also here. See, Raghu, Nataha. Because not same Padam. The Nimitta is in Raghu and Nata, the Nakara is in the next Padam. So not of the same Padam, therefore Natvam doesn't happen. Dhirganayana, Chitrabhanahu, Vrishavaganaha, Giri Gaganam, Nara Nari. Here Nara Repa is there, Na is there, but not of the same Padam. Okay. Then Samana Pade at Kupu Ang iti etesham vyavaye api Repa Shakara R iti etebhyaha nakarasya nakara bhavati. That is, even when intervened by any number of the following characters, at, ku, or pu, ang, or num, then Natvam will happen. This rule is 842. That is the next rule to that. 841 is the previous one. That Natvam is extended even if there are intervening letters. What are the intervening letters? This at, ku, and all. So here I can paste this example, Ramayana. Okay. So now some examples are given. If at letter, what is at letter? Ach and ha, ya, va, ra. If these letters intervene. Example for this, when these letters intervene, you can see a lot of examples are given. You can just go through that. Karanam, Haranam. Here between the Repa and the Na, you can see a vowel or the sibilant Hakara or a semi-vowel Yabara. These things will be their intervening letters. Even if these letters are there, Natvam has happened. Because Samana Padam, that condition is fulfilled. And at letters are allowed. Therefore, it has happened. Natvam has happened. Uttarayanam, Tarayanam. All those things are examples. Then examples for the ku letter intervening. Kha, kha, ga, ga, na. Arkena, murkana, argena, gargena. Similarly, for the pu letters intervening, num letter intervening, and hang letter intervening, you can see given some examples. So you can go through these examples, you will understand. Then the counter example, you see, prati udaharanani, counter example. Why it doesn't happen here? Bharatena, bara is there, repa is there, and na is the danti nakara. Why doesn't happen? Because the letter takara is there, which is not an at letter, which is not ku, which is not pu, which is not nun, which is not am. So therefore, it prevents the intervening letter takara prevents natvam happening. That's why it is given. Prati udaharana means counter examples. That doesn't happen. Many examples are given. Krantati, grantanam and all. Okay, so you can just go through these examples. You can analyze these examples. Why it doesn't happen. Then the last one, padanta nakara. That is why we mentioned apadanta nakara only undergo natvam. If it is padanta nakara, then natvam doesn't happen. Example, Raman, Naran, Girin, Druman, Gurun, Uti. Okay, so this is not the total natvam. In samasa also it happens. In samasa also it happens, but those are exceptions. So many exceptions and other details are not covered here. Only the natvam and the examples for intervening letters are covered. But this much detail is enough now. Okay. Fine. I will send you this file. You can go through this. Now we can go to the next one, next rule. That is the Anuswara Sandhi. Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Why number 1? Because number 2 is we saw Parasavarna. That is number 1. So now we can see Anuswara Sandhi number 2. Number 1. Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Number 1. When does this happen? Anuswara Sandhi number 1. It is Anuswara. The name itself shows Anuswara will be the Adesha. Adesha for what? That is, I'm just writing the sutra and then I will write the description and I'll explain you. Monuswaraha. This is the sutra. Okay. Let us take Monuswaraha. How do you split this Monuswaraha? Can you apply the Sandhi rules and split this Monuswaraha? What are the individual? I mean, this is a Sandhi only has happened. It's not a Samasa. Monuswaraha is the combination of Sandhi combination of 2 words. Yeah. Tell me.
Maha Anuswaraha.
Maha Anuswaraha becomes Monuswaraha. What Sandhi is up? What Sandhi rule is applied here? Maha Anuswaraha. Sarga preceded by A and followed by A becomes
U.
Yeah. Therefore, Mo. And Mo is Padam. Mo plus A. Padanta Yang followed by A becomes, therefore that is Pura Rupa Sandhi. Therefore you get Monuswara. Okay. That is the sutra. I'll explain what it means. Which is the number is important, that is why I'm giving this sutra. It is in 8.3. It is in 8th chapter, 3rd section, 23rd sutra. What does it mean? That is Anuswara. That is not on Makara. Makaraha. Makaraha at the end of the padam. Makara at the end of a padam will be replaced by will be replaced by Anuswara. Will be replaced by Anuswara. Makara at the end of a padam will be replaced by Anuswara. That's what it says, nothing else. Makara at the end of the padam will be replaced by Anuswara. When it is followed by hal. Hal is consonants. Makara at the end of a padam will be replaced by Anuswara when it is followed by a hal. Hal is a consonant. So it means, what is this message says? It means when it is followed by ach, what will happen? When it is followed by ach, Makara remains as it is. Because this rule is specifically only when a hal follows, when a consonant follows. Makara, which is at the end of a padam, Purva padam. Purva padam followed by the Uttara padam beginning with a consonant. Then Purva padasya makarasya sthane Anuswara adesha bhavati. Anuswara is that only dot, the bindu will be the adesha. When it is followed by the consonant. When it is followed by the ach, nothing happens. That is why we say, in the beginning we learned that in the makara will be there when followed by the vowel. When followed by the consonant, in the place of makara, you apply Anuswara. So examples from the Gita are given. Pandava Nikam plus Vyudam. Pandava Nikam Padam. Vyudam, another Padam. So Padanta Makara is followed by the consonant, therefore becomes Pandava Nikam. Vyudam Duryodhanaha. Vyudham Makara, Padanta Makara, followed by consonant, therefore Vyudam. The same way, Magatim plus Chamu, Magatim Chamum, Asmakam tu, Tadasmakam Balam, iti. Singhanadam Vinodyochaihi, Singhanadam Vinodyochaihi. All these are simple examples. You can follow this example, right? Now, you understand these examples? This rule is simple rule. Can you follow this rule?
Yes.
This is Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Okay. Now, Ram Kavyaji, you asked this question. Sanjanayan, we'll come to that now. That is, some is Upasarga, some Janayan. Now, some is a Upasarga. Is it a Padam or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a Padam. And Makara at the end of the Padam. Therefore, can we apply this rule?
Yes.
This Anuswara Sandhi number 1, which is in 8-3-23, right? Applying that, you get some Janayan. You get, right? This Anuswara Sandhi number 1 is applied. And now, Anuswara is there, followed by what letter? A letter. Therefore, applying the what Sandhi rule now? Some Anuswara followed by A letter. Therefore, first we applied Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Now, what Sandhi will apply?
In the A letter, Anuswara Sandhi.
Anuswara Sandhi number 2 you apply.
Yeah.
Anuswara Sandhi number 2.
8-4-59. Patanta Anuswara.
Yes. So Sanjanayan you get. That's how you get Sanjanayan. This is the question you asked, which I cannot answer immediately. Why? Because we need to learn certain things and only it can be answered. So some plus Janayan becomes some plus Janayan by applying the Anuswara Sandhi number 1, which we learned just now. And this is by the Anuswara Sandhi number 2, otherwise called Parasavana Sandhi. Right? So you get Sanjanayan. Clear?
Yes, Sharanji.
So therefore, now in this sequence of rules, you have to add this Anuswara Sandhi. And Anuswara Sandhi, you see 8458 is that you need to add before Shtutva and Shtutva, you have to add Anuswara Sandhi number 1. You can add Anuswara Sandhi number 1. That is Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara. I have not mentioned here. If I mention everything, it will be in this one page is not sufficient. I can add Anuswara Sandhi. Next class I will add. So after Jastva, Anuswara Sandhi number 1, which is in 8-3. Then Shtutva, Anunasika, Jastva, Chartva, Anuswara Sandhi number 2, Latva, Purusvarna. This is a sequence. This you need to practice. Practice and the steps here. The steps should be clear and you should follow the same steps. If the steps are clear and you know to apply this in this sequence, then most of the Sandhi will be easy. Sandhi will not be complicated topic anymore. Okay, any doubt in this?
No,
Anybody
sure.
having any doubts, please ask.
No.
And we need to see some more rules. We'll see one by one. Maybe another rule I will introduce in next class. So anybody having doubts? No?
No, no.
No, Saranji.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we can chant. Tiptasji,
Siptasji,
Siptastha,
Siptastha,
Mipvasmas,
Mipvasmas,
Ta Atamcha,
Ta
Atamcha,
Thas Atam Dvam,
Tas
Atam
Dvam,
It Vahi Mahi,
It Vahi Mahi,
Titaha Anti,
Titaha Anti,
Sitaha Tha,
Sitaha Tha,
Mi Vaha Maha,
Mi Vaha Maha,
Te Ate Ante,
Te Ate Ante,
Se Ate Dve,
Se Ate Dve,
Ye Vahe Mahe,
Ye
Ye Vahe,
Bhavati Bhavataha Bhavanti,
Bhavati Bhavataha Bhavanti,
Bhavasi Bhavataha Bhavata,
Bhavasi Bhavataha Bhavata,
Bhavami Bhavavaha Bhavamaha,
Bhavami Bhavavaha Bhavamaha,
Labate Labhete Labhante,
Labhate Labhete Labhante,
Labase Labhete Labadve,
Labhase Labhete Labadve,
Labhe Labavahe Labamahe,
Labhe Labhavahe Labhamahe,
Karoti Kurutaha Kurvanti,
Karoti Kurutaha Kurvanti,
Karoshi Kurutaha Kurutha,
Karoshi Kurutaha Kuruta,
Karomi Kurvaha Kurmaha,
Karomi Kurvaha Kurmaha,
Kurute Kurvate Kurvate,
Kurute Kurvate Kurvate,
Kurushe Kurvate Kurudve,
Kurushe Kurvate Kurudve,
Kurve Kurvahe Kurmahe,
Kurve Kurvahe,
Takara Tam An,
Takara Tam An,
Sakara Tam Ta,
सकारान्त
व म
व म
त आताम अन्त
आताम अन्त
थाह आथाम ध्वम
ताः आताम ध्वम्
ई वही मही
ई वहि महि
अभवत् अभवताम अभवन्
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभथाः अलभेथाम् अलभध्वम्
अलभथाः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरोः अकुरुत
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकरवम् अकुर्व
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाथाम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुरुताः अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्ध्वम्
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अकुर्वी अकुर्महि अकुर्महि
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
असि स्तः स्थ
असि स्तः स्त
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीः आस्तम् आस
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम् आस्व आस्म
तु ताम् अन्तु
तु ताम् अन्तु तं त
आनि आव आम
आनि आव आम
ताम् इताम् अन्ताम्
ताम् इताम् अन्ताम्
स्व इथाम् द्वम्
स्व इताम् ध्वम्
ऐ आवहै आमहै
ऐ आवहै आमहै
भवतु भवताम् भवन्तु
भवतु भवताम् भवन्तु भवन्तु
भव भवतम् भवत
भवतम् भवत
भवानी भवाव भवाम
भवानी भवाव भवाम
लभताम् लभेताम् लभन्ताम्
लभताम् लभेताम् लभन्ताम्
लभस्व लभेथाम् लभध्वम्
लभस्व लभेताम् लभध्वम्
लभै लभावहै लभामहै
लभै लभावहै लभामहै
ईत् ईताम् ईयुः
ईत ईताम ईयुः
युः
ईहि ईतं ईत
ईतम् ईत
ईत
ईयम् ईव ईम
ईयम् इव ईम
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईत ईयाताम
ईरन्
इथाः ईयाताम् ईत्वम्
ईथाः
ईयाताम
ईध्वम्
ईध्वम्
ईय ईवहि ईमहि
ईय
ईवहि ईमहि
भवेत् भवेताम् भवेयुः
भवेत् भवेताम् भवेयुः
भवेः भवेतम् भवेत
भवेः भवेतम् भवेत
भवेयम् भवेव भवेम
भवेयम् भवेव भवेम
लभेत लभेयाताम् लभेरन्
लभेत लभेताम्
लभेताः लभेयाथाम् लभेद्वम्
लभेयाः लभेयाथाम्
लभेद्वम्
लभेय लभेवहि लभेमहि
लभेय
लभेवहि लभेमहि.
Okay, remember this form: lut, lung, lot, and ling. And between lut and ling, there are not much difference. I mean, in terms of its usage and the meaning they use. There's not much difference. Both are used almost the same sense. But in ling, there is a wish. In ling lakara, there is a wish. In lot lakara, it's more of a command. Wish is there as well as command is there. Patatu, you read. Patet may be read. May you read. So bhavet, patet and patatu. It's a difference. Satyam vada dharmam chara. It's a lot lakara. Vada, madhyama purusha ekavachana. Shruti commands. So commanding. Agnya. Agnya prarthanadishu lot. As well as ling. And some subtle differences that it's not important. There's a Pani Sutra user is given a list of where it is, ling is. And the same thing is this lot sha. Lot also can be used in the same meaning, he says. So there is not much difference between lut and ling in usage. So generally you will see the ling is a wish. It's a command only. Ling is also a command. It's a wishful command. Shubham bhuyat. Shubham bhuyat. May you get shubham. It is a wish. But asking you to do something, then you use lot. Now, I want to ask you to go. Then I will say gachatu. I will say gachet when it is my wish, gachet. So that's a fine difference. Okay, this is between lut and ling. Okay, so we can stop here. Since this is we have lockdown now, that is why we took up to 7:30. Once the class resumes, we won't be able to do. So sorry if I have extended time. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್.